What areas of your scalp bother you the most?
So I part my hair on the left,
Yeah.
but these two areas tend to be the most troublesome for me.
So the temples.
The temples, and in particular, they've changed the most, right?
Yeah.
There's been loss there that's made my hairstyle a little unstable.
Yes.
I want you to look for opportunities everywhere on
Of
top of my
course.
scalp, but I'm expecting most of the grafts to be in this area or right around the hairline.
That's what I expect too.
And I'm not, so I mentioned earlier, I'm not expecting a lower hairline, but maybe filling in those temple areas.
Absolutely. We're going to do that for you.
And with different patients, there's different expectations,
Mhm.
and you deal with different personalities. But I think I'm easy to please. I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to my hairline.
Of course.
I just want it to be a little bit fuller and more stable. But that's the extent of my expectations.
Absolutely. And we don't take that for granted. We see it as a higher need for us to excel.
Good,
Okay.
good.
So I'm just marking out and finalizing the hairline.
Okay.
And so your crown's also thinned a little bit.
Right. That's never bothered me much, but I did expect there to be some grafts
Yes.
there as well.
So our priority is going to be 1, 2, highest density, little bit of density. This is area he's pretty good. So like many men, your hairline is and thickness is different. So we're going to put 2,000 grafts here and get this done. Here you're pretty good. And 500 here.
That sounds good.
So that's going to be in the middle here. We're not planning on putting any because your density looks really good. Let's focus on where you're the most thin.
Okay.
That sound good?
Yeah, it does.
All right, cool. So what we'll do is we'll take you back in the procedure room. We're going to go ahead and do the numbing. I'm going to do a nerve block first.
Okay.
Then I'll go ahead and do the rest of the procedure, okay?
Okay.
Awesome. We're going to take good care, okay? We're going to be doing a hair transplant. Our amazing patient has had hair loss and hair thinning. They don't want a scar. They don't like scars. Guess what? I don't like scars. I don't want scars. So we're going to do a hair transplant with a technique called Follicular Unit Extraction. Now, a hair transplant has 3 phases. Phase 1, harvest. Phase 2, make the recipient sites or the holes. Phase 3, put the follicles in the recipient sites at the correct angle, orientation, and depth as normal hair. So what am I going to do? I'm going to numb the back. I'll do a nerve block, and then I'll numb all the skin. I'll use a special handheld device to remove individual follicles. Once I've removed the follicles, then I'll make little holes, tons of them, 2,500 of them. Then I'll take the grafts and put them into the hole, 2,500. So take the graft out, we then put them under the microscope, clean it up, make it nice. You'll see the hair, the shaft, the bulb, then make perfect holes, angle, orientation, direction, take the graft, put it in. It's going to be amazing. Let's do it. The first thing we're going to do for our hair transplant is we're going to feel some landmarks. I'll tell you before we do anything. Okay, let's get vibrata, please. We're going to get a vibration device to also make you more comfortable. We're going to do a little poke on 3. You ready?
Yep.
So we're going to get that greater occipital nerve. To inject the greater occipital nerve to the nerve block, we feel the occipital protuberance. We feel the mastoid tip, and 1/3 in the way in between those is where the nerve is. So 1, 2, 3, uncomfortable poke. We feel the occipital protuberance, the mastoid tip, 1/3 in the way in between. You're strong. Now we're going to let this work for a few moments.
Okay.
Was that a 10 out of 10?
No, this is nothing.
Oh. We're continuing the harvest right now. We're doing follicular unit extraction. So what that means is we individually take out the follicles.
Okay.
So we're gauging the depth. The fungal is getting that ready for me. Now we do that. Now we gently take it out to make the holes and then remove the follicles and make sure they're nice and full. It's beautiful. We can see here there's a full follicle with the bulb and the hair. See, that's beautiful. So we have the entire follicle with no transection. You see the bulb, you see the hair, you see the skin around it, and over there under the microscope, Shelby's cleaning all the follicles for us. So this is a follicle. We can see the bulb, the hair, the shaft. It looks fantastic. This is a double.
Double mean there's two hairs there?
There's two hairs, absolutely. We take it, gently place it. Just like that. Checking the whole area very carefully. Fantastic. It's coming along just perfect, my friend.
Good.